One of the highest paying skills that you can learn in 2025 is digital marketing. That's not me, that's Future of Jobs Report 2025 talking about this fact. Hi everyone, I'm Ishant Sharma, and if you want to learn digital marketing in 2025, this is the perfect video for it. I'm going to share with you 7 amazing free courses that you can learn and get started with your career in digital marketing. From the fundamentals to the intermediate and the advanced concepts, all covered within these 7 free courses. Watch till the very end. I'll also share an amazing tool by HubSpot which will help you write content more effectively. But let's have a look at the first course, and this one is from Google Skillshop called Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Now this is the most foundational course that you can take that will first talk about the importance of digital marketing for businesses so that you know why does this role even exist and what's its importance in 2025. And it also talks about the most important concepts that you need to remember if you want to start in the career of digital marketing. Now, if you scroll down, you will notice that it has core concepts like building a digital marketing strategy, getting to know your online customers, making social media work for a business, getting most data online, creating engaging content. You go down, it also talks about improving your business with websites and apps, optimizing your online shopping experience. Essentially, for any business that you will be working with, it lists down all the important concepts that will help them build a strong online digital presence. And that is the most important role for a digital marketer at a company. So reaching local customers, crafting effective email campaigns, it gives you a basic overview for everything that you want to learn. It has over 17 modules that you can go through, and you can start learning everything and get a basic understanding for what digital marketing is all about. Google has casually dropped a Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course, which is 40 hours long, aimed at beginners. So this is a must watch for all the people who are very new to digital marketing. You've heard the importance of it from some people, but you have zero experience in it, then this is the course that you start and go ahead with. If you're liking this video, hit the like button. But the second course is Digital Marketing Certification on HubSpot Academy. Now this course will give you a certificate at the end, and it is more in depth. Let's go down and see what it's all about. So the curriculum will teach you everything from creating a strategy for your business in SEO, for content creation. It will then talk about improving website performance. It talks about creating blog content. It talks about creating a video marketing strategy, developing a social media strategy, paid search advertising, creating high performing email campaigns. Gives you a 40,000 feet view for all the topics and concepts underneath digital marketing. So this is a great starter. It goes even more in depth, gives you real world examples, and is coming from HubSpot, which is probably the biggest company in the field of digital marketing in 2025. It's a 37 video, 5-hour course with a certification at the end from HubSpot itself. Digital marketing certification by HubSpot is a must try for anyone who is new to digital marketing but wants to have a great career in it. And once you do this course, you also have access to some amazing courses which are 8-hour long, 5-hour long, 4-hour long courses on content marketing, social media marketing, digital advertising, and much more. So check out HubSpot Academy if you have not already. Now, if you want to grow your online business, you know how crucial content writing is. Putting out great content not only helps people discover your business, but also builds trust when you show up regularly. But most businesses either don't have the time or the people to create the content that they need. And that's where this amazing free AI content writer by HubSpot comes in. With this one tool, you can write blogs, social media posts, emails, and even website copy for your business. I found it super helpful for writing emails. You know, sometimes it's really hard to pen down what you want to say. You just have to type in what you want to talk about, and it creates email ideas and subject lines that you can then use and modify as per your needs. This tool becomes really useful to boost your online presence. I like how you can create, share, and track all the content within one platform. This cuts down the mistakes and gives you a clear idea for how your content is performing. So check out HubSpot's free AI content writer with the link in the description. And now let's get back to the third digital marketing course. Now going back to Google, here's a 7-course series on digital marketing and e-commerce by Google themselves on Coursera. Now it's a certificate program, which means you'll have to pay for it. If you click on enroll over here. But there is a way to get this for free. As you can see, it says 3,000 rupees. You cross it, you go under the courses section and you click on individual courses. So if I go and click on this course right here, make the sale, build, launch and manage e-commerce stores. I'll click on enroll for free. And now I get this option to audit the course. You can similarly audit all the 7 courses. I clicked on audit and this course is mine. I can watch it completely. I will not get the certificate, but I can still get to learn and watch the entire course by Google on Coursera. Now this 7-part course is an extensive program in which you learn not only the foundations, but also the depths. So you learn about attracting and engaging customers with digital marketing. You learn about converting customers to paying users. You learn about email marketing. You learn about analyzing the marketing data that you have and measuring everything for success. You also learn about launching your own e-commerce stores and you learn about building customer loyalty. So all of this in one place itself, divided in 7 different courses that you can audit one by one. This is truly incredible. And I think if you are someone who's getting started and want to go in a little bit more depth, you can audit any of these courses and you can start learning from scratch by Google on Coursera. Moving on, let's talk about the most important topic in digital marketing, and that is advertising. Every company wants to advertise, and if you know how to create effective ad campaigns, you're gonna make a lot of money. And this Meta Blueprint certification is super important for you all to pay attention to, because here is where you get everything in depth by Meta on how to run ads online. If you go on this site, you scroll down and you will look at getting started with Meta technologies. You'll get access to plenty of courses. You learn the basics of Meta and all of its platforms, like how do you set up a business profile on Instagram? How do you use WhatsApp as a business? You go down and then you learn about the advertising fundamentals. So for example, if you want to understand about ad placements, budgets, and scheduling in Google Ads Manager, in Meta Ads Manager, you can go down here, scroll and start enrolling in this course for completely free and learn the basics from the people who are actually doing it every single day. Managing your ad campaigns, privacy and data protection. You learn about customizing ad creative in Meta Ads Manager. So all of this is available right from Meta. So you know it's going to be the most truest form of knowledge that comes from Meta itself. And you can also attempt the exam to get yourself a Meta certification. So not only you get to learn the best information from Meta, you also get a certificate from Meta itself and become a certified digital marketing associate, which might even help you to get better opportunities in the market as a digital marketer. Now it's 2025, which means AI is eating up every industry and marketing is no exception, which means you need to learn how to level up your marketing skills using AI. And this amazing course on SEMrush Academy helps you with exactly that. Become an AI-powered marketer, which talks about how you can use AI to skyrocket your digital marketing skills. So first of all, it talks about how does AI work. Then you learn about how to do prompt engineering as a marketer. Then you learn about how to do SEO, content. How do you get to social content faster with AI? It talks about using Midjourney for marketers. It talks about AI and personalization. It talks about creating a marketing strategy using AI itself. It talks about creating campaigns and content for AI. It also talks about SEO and blogging, how to do that with AI, and at the end, use cases for AI in marketing. All of this in one course, which you can enroll for completely free. That to me sounds like a no-brainer, and you also get a certificate from SEMrush Academy, which is another reputed place to learn about digital marketing in general. Now, there's one part of digital marketing which every business needs and is getting amazing ROI on, and that is email marketing. And this amazing certification course on email marketing by HubSpot is going to teach you exactly that. It talks about how do you set up an email campaign, right? So you learn about creating an email marketing strategy. You understand the importance of segmentation, contact management. You learn about permissions and deliverability. You learn about power of personalization and automation in email marketing. You learn to use all the popular email marketing tools. You understand the design in email marketing. So how do you create emails that gets people to open your email and interact with it as well? It also talks about the impact of copy in email marketing and how to improve that. It talks about getting the audience to take action after they read your email. It also talks about how do you analyze the marketing emails that you send and the data that you get from it, and so much more, all in one course itself. A 4-hour long course by HubSpot, 9 quizzes, 31 videos, 12 lessons, and 1 certification at the end to teach you the basics of email marketing and advanced concepts as well. This one is really important for you to learn, especially in 2025, if you want to work and service for businesses. Now, one topic which often gets overlooked when a business starts creating content or does digital marketing is representing their brand online and creating a brand presence which is magnetic, which is strong, and which leaves an impact in the minds of people. And this course, Master Your Brand Voice, a workshop on SEMrush Academy, is really important for you to take, because this is where you learn about what is a brand voice online. You learn about using specific word buckets for your brand. You learn about the 4 dimensions which will help you refine your brand's tone. Is the brand formal? Is it casual? Is it serious? Funny? Choose the dimensions that suit your brand best to develop a consistent, targeted brand voice. You do various activities to understand who is this brand and who is this brand not for. Then you learn about the doppelganger activity. Then you do the 12 brand archetypes. Then you do a walkthrough defining your brand voice with SEMrush tools, bringing it all together. And this is a great short course that you can take to learn about it all in SEMrush Academy itself. And these, my friends, were the 7 free digital marketing courses that you can take in 2025 to upskill, to start your career strong, to learn the fundamentals, and supercharge your career using AI. Also, check out HubSpot's free AI content writer with the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section. If you're still watching right in the comment section, I was till the very end. I have a separate video in depth about how to start learning digital marketing in 2025. So go watch that if you're interested, but I will see you in the next video. Bye.